Hello guys, welcome into today's crypto technical analysis. Today we're going to discuss the BTC and Ethereum price actions. However, before we start, I've got a small request from you guys as usual. If you're enjoying and learning from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. A few minutes ago that I updated on my Twitter, I've been talking about this support number 2 for some time. As soon as we lost the support number 2, and that was, as you remember from the previous videos, it was confluence with a 382 Fibonacci level. At the same time, we have a point of control. And as soon as we lost the point of control and all the 3 confluence levels and the support number 2, highly likely, as I said in the first place, we're going to be testing support number 3. However, I said this time that support number 3, highly likely we're going to lose, and we can come all the way up to support number 4. And as you can see, we came right inside the support number 4, and then since then, price action started moving towards the upside. And at the moment, I've got a new point of control. Now you can see we've got dollar to dollar, week to week rejection right from the point of control. And I'm expecting price action to come all the way up to $41,500, $41,000, and we might test a bit higher levels. In order to see that, we have to do multiple time frame analysis. So as you can see, once we lost the support number 2, which I've been mentioning in the last few days, because as you see, I'll show you in a minute, on the lower time frame, the distribution took place and then we had the pressure from the sellers. And as a result, we came to the support number 2, and as soon as we lost, we had a sharp decline in the market. That provided us 14% exactly spot profit. If you're doing a leverage, 10 times 140%, 5 times 70% profit in the last less than 48 hours. If you follow me via Twitter and the previous posts that I mentioned, keep an eye on 7th and 9th of September, expecting some decent volatility in the market. And as you can see, on the 7th of September, we got a massive dump in the market. After that, I made another post that I was saying for the BTC, keep an eye on 21st and 23rd of September, the next decent volatility day. So as you can see, I've been pointing for the 21st and 22nd of September. There was a 12-hour difference. On the 20th of September, we saw a first volume of this volatility. After that, on the 21st, that you can see, the remaining volatility came into the market and we hit exactly to the target level of support number 4, which I've been talking about over 10 days. For the market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter, The Magnate. If we analyze the lower time frame, as you can see, the distribution took place all around in this area where I said buyers are exhausted and we might see a pressure from the sellers. And as you can see, we had a decent volatility in the market. At the same time, as soon as we tested the first time of support number 3, second time, third time, and then the last time, once we tested, I posted and made a video about the sellers are exhausted, buyers are stepping in. And as a result, I provided 2 target level with a $48,000 and $50,000. But we reached to our target number 1 with a 10% spot profit. And in this area, I mentioned that mid time frame, the 4-hour time frame, as well as the 2-hour time frames were heavily under a bearish control that I've been keep mentioning in the last over a week. And as a result, as you can see, as soon as we lost the support number 2, we came to the support number 3, which I've been telling again in the last 10 days or so. This time, highly likely we will lose the support number 3, and then we will see the price action will test the support number 4. And that provided, as soon as we lost the 382, the Fibonacci level, as well as the point of control and the support number 2, we had over 14% spot profit. Again, if you're doing a leverage, you do the math for yourself. There you can see clearly support number 2 confluence with the 382. At the same time, we have been following this point of control for some time. And as you can see, as soon as we lost point of control 382 and lower line of the support, price action dumped all the way up to support number 4, which I've been mentioning in the last 10 days or so. If you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to be a profitable trader in the market. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. 4-hour time frame. And the 4-hour time frame, as I mentioned, that this region, when we came to this region, and that was a, if you call it SFP fake out or deviation, that was a fake out. As soon as we lost the support number 2, we saw a decent dump in the market. However, primary short signal came at around $50,000. As soon as we lost $46,500, $47,000, 4 hour went heavily under the bear's control. However, these price actions were fake out, and still when the price action were here, I was keep mentioning in the last 1 week or so that the 4 hour were heavily under the bear's control. At this stage, I'm expecting that maximum we might go and test the support number 3, and highly likely we will see another dump in the market. 2 hour time frame. As soon as we lost the lower line of the support number 2, 2 hour time frame went heavily under the bear's control. On the 2 hour time frame, we might test the support number 3. Highly likely, as I said, we're going to see a rejection, and I'm expecting that the price action that we're going to be testing at around 41,000 and 41,500 levels. The same levels are going to be applicable on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour, 2 hour, as well as the 4 hour time frames, heavily under the bear's control, and there is no need to cover the bullish scenario at this stage, and the daily time frame still under the bull's control. Moving on to Ethereum price action. As you remember that the Ethereum buy signal on the lower time frame came at around 1725, which I was expecting that the upper line of this support number 2 supposed to hold, and as you can see with a $9 difference, we held the 1725 and we had early buy signal. However, if you're a conservative trader, that the 2000 level on the mid time frame was extremely important, and as soon as we broke, it was acting as a resistance, claim it as a support, then highly likely, as I said, we're going to go in the first place. We had a resistance number 1 first target, resistance number 2, as well as the 3, and I provided resistance number 4. That was the 4 target levels. After we hit the target 4, I provided 3,800 in the first place is going to be our 5th target. However, the last target will be, as I said, $4,000, and after that I didn't provide any target levels, so we hit all the target levels perfectly. So from the early entry, we had over 135% spot profit. However, as I said, on the swing trade, as soon as we broke the 2000 level, which was very important level, that was confluence with a fib level, and we had over 100% spot profit. And again, if you're a leverage trader, in less than 1.5 months, 10 times 1000%, 5 times 500% profit. Bear in your mind, these support and resistance lines are changed. We followed these support and resistance lines over 3 months. Last update for the Ethereum, I made it on the 16th of September, and as you can see, I mentioned that lower time frame support level, it was acting as a support, and I was expecting that highly likely that we're going to test this support level, 3,400 level. However, as I said, highly likely with the BTC's dump, we're going to see 3,000 level all the way up to 2,900 levels. So as you can see, on the 16th of September, the price action was around 3,600 level. And then after we got a rejection, we tested the support lower line, as you can see, week to week rejection, and that became resistance. Again, you can see how we got a rejection from the upper line of this support, and we got a rejection dollar to dollar, week to week rejection. It was expected under low time frame as well as the mid time frame that the price action in the first place, highly likely we were expecting 3,000 and 2,870 levels. And as you can see, from the 16th of September all the way up to the lower line of this support, we had 20% profit. If you're a leverage trader, 10 times 200%, 5 times 100% profit. The current condition of the 4 hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. However, I'm expecting that the price action to go all the way up to 3,300, 250, and then we will see a further dump in the market. As long as we're going to be above this support of 2,900 and 800 level, and then we will see further consolidation, and then I will update accordingly. If we're going to lose this level, it is slightly early for us to talk about 2,300 and 2,250 levels. In this episode, I'm not going to cover the bullish scenario. However, as long as we're going to be below this support level, 4 hour time frame will be under the bear's control. 2 hour time frame, as I said, under 2 hour time frame, that was a deviation fake out, and then as soon as we entered into the support, 2 hour time frame entered into the consolidation. By losing lower line of the support, 2 hour entered under the bear's control, and as soon as we lost the lower line of the support, if you know how to play level to level, that provided nearly 15% profit. At the moment, 2 hour time frame heavily under the bear's control. In order to be bullish under 2 hour time frame, we have to break 2,300, 400 level, claim it as a support, then we are good to go towards the upside. However, my main concern is going to be, as long as we're going to be below this support line of 3,500 level, 2 hour time frame will still remain weak. Similar levels are applicable under 1 hour time frame. And we came to an end of this episode. We covered bullish and bearish scenario, play level to level. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.